I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's so time consuming to do all this shredding and slicing in the kitchen.
And this salad shooter by KEOUKE was the solution to my problems. This is amazing. You can put anything in there and slice it thin or thick. They're so easy to take out. It comes with a little brush that you can scrape things out. It comes with 4 sets of blades. You have 2 of the shredders with the different depths and 2 slicers with the 2 different depths. They connect very easily to where the motor is going to turn. It will not fall out while you're using it. I appreciated that. It's got 2 turn-on buttons in the front and in the back. You hold it down to get it to spin, so you have complete control. So if you let go, it's not going to spin or cut anything you don't want to cut. I just loved how small and compact this is and how easy it is to store. It's got a USB-C charging port with its own cord. It's an easy thing to charge up. And when you're wanting to shred something up as difficult as potatoes, it just does it so easily. If you want to make hash browns, it saves so much time. And again, it's so easy to clean. You can scrape all the remnants out to make sure you get every little bit of it to cook a delicious breakfast. And then it's easy to take apart and clean every bit of it besides the motor part. I loved it.
This saved so much time, was so easy to use and to clean. I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.